This video I'll cover how to use ChatGPT to debug your code and be more productive. So let's get into the ChatGPT. So let's type in something. Create a summarizer using 18 post and LTK for that. And it's creating a function to summarize the text, tokenizes the text, take out stop words from the text, and it's still running. Okay, scoring it. Taking the highest score and then joining it in the summary. Okay, so ChatGPT is really good at generating code. Just put in a prompt and it's going to run everything for you. So awesome. Okay, so let's copy the code and inside Visual Studio Code, I'm going to paste in the code. So the idea is to print out the code and start a debugging process. So I'm going into the terminal, I'm going to run it. Awesome. So it summarizes the text. So what we want to do now is to just intentionally create an error. Okay. So instead of score, I'm going to do it like score. I'm going to run it. Okay. So it's saying name error. So I'm going to copy the error. So what you're going to do now is to go inside ChatGPT and you paste the error and you do a run. So what it's saying is it's telling me what the error is and it's telling me where the error is and it's saying that giving me the correct code for that. Okay, so this is a very easy way to debug your code using ChatGPT. Okay. Okay, so it's saying the variable scores defined as dictionary to store the score, but it is in the line where you use and there's a typo. Okay, so it wants me to add it back. So that's exactly what we did here. Okay, awesome. And that's the code runs well. So it is also important to reevaluate the code just to meet what you want to do. Okay, thank you. So if you really like this content, don't forget to subscribe and share.